What's the meaning of crudeness? Crudeness. Crudeness.
Crudeness. Crudeness. Crudeness refers to the quality of being rough, unrefined, or lacking in sophistication or elegance. It can describe a person's behavior or manners, as well as an object or idea that is poorly developed or executed. In general, crudeness suggests a lack of attention to detail and a disregard for social norms or standards of excellence. People who exhibit crudeness may be seen as uneducated, unsophisticated, or lacking in taste or refinement. Overall, crudeness is generally perceived negatively and is often associated with poor quality or low status.